Howdy. Hello and welcome to everybody. I'm currently over here in Astoria Park trying to find a composition so I can talk about shooting modes. And in particular I should say, today I wanted to talk about some of the pitfalls that new photographers and or beginner photographers might encounter when trying to learn using shutter speed mode. Shutter speed mode? Shutter priority mode. And I'm looking for certain elements within the composition for me to be able to explain these things. I was hoping I could find a nice tree as my near subject, something in the midground, and then something in the background. But so far I'm not having much luck. There is a tree over here. Which I think is really cool. This one's just right here. And I was hoping that I could shoot this way and get the bridge in the background. But there's a big branch from the tree that comes across and intersects with the bridge, and it just looks weird. This is the tree here, and see these branches just coming across. I can't even really get down low because it still doesn't clear the bridge in the background. I wouldn't be too bothered about this tree here, but see something like that, but this branch here coming down. So I'm just kind of debating on what to do at the moment, and trying to find something. So I'm gonna walk around and see, and I'll check back in if I find anything. If not, this is the shortest 2 minutes and 20 second video I've ever done. All right, I'll keep you posted. Well, this texture is really cool. Just trying to see if I can see any interesting patterns or anything like that. Make for a nice close-up. So not much happening. Not much happening at all. Plenty of these little lads around. I'm gonna walk over here to this little basketball court. See if there's anything else to photograph. So I guess The shutter priority mode video ain't happening, so please subscribe so you get notified of when that actually does make it out. Not sure if there's anything here either, but maybe something over in that direction. Perhoops. Get it? Perhoops. That was a bit of fun, just playing around in the basketball court. My camera now, not the basketball. So yeah, today unfortunately didn't pan out the way I thought it might. But like I always say, I'm out here and I'm doing it. And while it would have been nice to do the video I wanted, it was also nice just to not to put any pressure on myself. There's always tomorrow or the next day, you know? And that's what it's about. It's like getting out here, doing it, practicing, getting better, getting better, getting better. Enjoying the company of all the squirrels. I've talked about this before about like not putting pressure on ourselves when we're out, because it just quite often can lead to frustrations. Nope. So I don't know if this video is anything. I'll probably just publish it on here, and like I said, subscribe and keep an eye out for the camera mode settings. Alright, I'm gonna mosey on home. And I'll see you the next time. Thanks folks. Cheers.